Hey guys, I am Vikas. Welcome to my new edition. In this video, I will be show you the full unboxing and the setup and also my impression about Amazon Alexa Echo Dot. As we know that Amazon Alexa Echo Dot is a very good device and it will work like we use in our every device like Google Assistant or the Apple Siri. So to be compare themselves, I think that the Amazon Alexa Echo Dot is very good and this one is very powerful to work as your personal assistant. So definitely the Amazon Alexa Echo Dot is a very good device, and in this video I will be show you that unboxing and also the setup and my impression. So let's see that how much the Amazon Alexa Echo Dot will be good for you and how it will be comes from online packages like that. So definitely I will show you that. And still, if you don't subscribe to my channel, so please subscribe and go in the bell icon button and tap this one. So let's see that how much the Amazon Alexa Echo Dot will work and how much it will be do the work which you actually order to do in your home. So let's see.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them. To see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Fiat Fusion 5 Pro Glide. Test sie.
Hold me close till I get up.
আরে ভাই টিপে রাখতে
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase and leave. Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.